Good morning. This is Venugopal for Vikrant Publishers with Hindi Book 1. Children, in the previous class we completed up to 34 pages. Now we take up from 35 page onward, page number 35 onwards till the end of the book. Now look at this Varnamala. These all letters you have learned. Along with that we have learned the words also. Now there are some boxes, empty boxes given there. If you remember the Varnamala correctly, you can easily fill the boxes there with appropriate missing letters. First I is given. Next what is that? Ah. You remember the swar? Swar. Ah. Ah. Okay. Next E is given. What is E? How you write it? Like this. E. U. U. Ru is given there already. A. I. This is not given. There is a box there empty. O. Au. Aha. See how the missing letters. What are the missing letters there? These are the missing letters. I am putting the boxes there, empty boxes. We have tried those letters. Okay? These are the things that you have to fill. These boxes are empty there. These boxes we have filled. In the same way, Vyanjan, Swar we have filled here. A, I, U, Ru, A, I, O, Au, Aha. These are Swar, means vowels. Now Vyanjan, Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Inya. You have to fill in the boxes there with the missing letters. Okay, children? And Samyukta Akshar, 3 Samyukta Akshar are there. What are they? Ksha, Tra, Jna. Okay? Here Tra is given. Ksha, Jna. You have to fill here. Ka after Kha. Ga, Gha, Inya. Cha, Cha. Ja, Jha, Ini. Ta, Tha. Ta, Tha. Ta, Tha. Da, Dha, Na. Ta, Tha. Da, Tha, Na. Pa, Pha, Ba, Bha, Ma, Ya, Ra, La, Va, Sha, Sha, Sa, Ha, Ksha, Tra, Jna. So these are the boxes that you have to fill with Vyanjan, means consonants. Okay, children, in the next page, Ginati is given. Ginati means what? Counting. You know, Hindi numbers, English of course, we know the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that in Hindi also, these numbers have got names. Those names we are going to learn now under the title Ginati. Ginati means what? Counting. Let us learn the numbers in Hindi from 1 to 10. 1 to 10 English numbers. Telugu, we call them 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Whereas in English we write 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that in Hindi also, the numbers have got names. Let us see them. This is the Hindi number or symbol of number 1. It is pronounced as ek, means 1. These are the, whatever are written there, here and here, these are Hindi numbers, not English numbers or Telugu numbers. These are the symbols. Do is written like this. Do means what? 2. You can see that there. Do means 2. 3, 3. 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And these are Hindi numbers. Remember this. These are Hindi number symbols. Means this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, this is 10. So, if now you can easily remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the numbers in Hindi. We call them under Ginati. Ginati means counting. In the next page, children, Matraye, the symbols are given. Already we learnt how to pronounce the words, write the consonants like ka combined with matras to form syllables. See, for example, swar, matra, matra ka uchcharan, roop, roop ka uchcharan. All these are given there in the columns. Swar, vowels. You can see a, how are they written there? The symbols, matra means symbols also are given there for each and every vowel. The symbols are given. And the pronunciation of the symbol also is given, uchcharan of the symbol. इस अक्षर की कोई मात्रा नहीं होती, फर्स्ट अक्षर, मात्रा का उच्चारण, देन मात्रा का रूप मीन्स फॉर्म, and रूप का उच्चारण. Okay, children? Yes. Look at these. Look at page number 37, children. Matraye, the symbols are given there. Swar, matra, pronunciation of the symbol, all these are given there in that page, page number 37. फर्स्ट आ इस अक्षर की कोई मात्रा नहीं होती है, అంటే మొదటి అక్షరానికి there will be no symbol, but second letter onwards we have got symbols. See how it is written there, akar. For example, if you write ka plus a, what does it become? Ka. Like that, the symbols we have to use with the consonants. Ka, ka, like that. I, ikar, e, ikar, u, ukar, u, ukar, r, rikar, e, ekar, e, ekar, o, okar, au, aukar, बिंदु अनुस्वर, अन, चंद्र बिंदु, aha, visarg, means 2 dots. If you add, children, these symbols to the consonants like ka, kha, ga, gha, you form bara khadi. The symbols that we use like this, akar, ikar, ikar, these symbols when we add to any consonants, those form bara khadi. Bara khadi means what? 12 letters you will find there. You can see you are asked to write the padho or likho matraएं. Read and write the symbols. There is no symbol there. Symbol. You have to write the symbols there in the boxes given under that, so that you can easily understand the symbols are matraएं. When you write them in the bara khadi, see bara khadi, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. The consonants of the Hindi alphabet combined with vowels, they are given there in page number 39. You can see that there in the same way ka, ka, ki, ki, ku, ku, kru, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, ka, kaha. Kha, kha, khi, khi, khu, khu, kru, khe, khai, kho, khau, kham, kha, khaha. Ga, ga, gi, gi, gu, gu, gru, ge, gai, go, gau, gam, ga, gaha. Gha, gha, ghi, घी, घु, घू, घ्रू, घे, घै, घो, घौ, घम, घा, घहा. Cha, next letter. Cha, chi, chi, chu, chu, chru, che, chai, cho, chow, cham, cha, chaha. Like that you can read all the Barakhadi and learn like children easily. But you must know the symbols for that. These are the symbols. When you practice this, writing these symbols here in these boxes, under each box, each symbol if you write thoroughly by reading Akar, Ikar, Ikar, Ukar, Ukar, Rikar, Ekar, Aikar, Okar, Aukar, Vyanjan, Chandrabindu, Visarga. Once you start learning writing these symbols under this in these boxes, these Barakhadi are formed by adding these symbols to the vowels like this. With ka, add a symbol. Ka, I, ikar, ki, ikar, ki, rukar, ukar, ku, ukar, kru, ku, rikar, kru. Aikar, ke, aikar, kai, okar, ko, aukar, kau. Vyanjan, Chandrabindu, Visarga, kaha. Like that, by practicing these symbols, you can easily learn the Barakhadi. Okay, those names are also given there. Ka, ka, ki, ki, ku, kru, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, kaha, kang, kam, kaha, shri. Like that, you can combine, you can learn the matraye, the symbols. By these symbols are useful in writing the words correctly. By using these symbols or adding these symbols to the consonants means Vyanjan. Swar means vowels. Vyanjan means consonants. Those Barakhadi are formed. Okay, children, with that we come to the end of this first class textbook. With that we come to the end of the first class textbook, children. Learn these things thoroughly. Thank you.